Ading, dahil di kaya kung may school visit?
When?
Ay, alain tayo din. So, tinukat building, ti College of Allied Health Sciences, ading. Tinukat ti building, ti MedTech, physical therapists, and nurses. So, ading, ti BS Nursing Program tayo tatan ket level 2 accredited ti pakukuhan, which means ket pasok so na ti standard si quality of education iti school tayo. Kinakuya ba, di 2024, ket naka 94.96% ti nakapasa ti nurses licensure examination ti NWU. Then, halang met nga puro academics yung naka-focus ang school tayo. Naka-focus tayo met no kaso nagbaling compassionate, kentap na maging ready tayo to real life situation. So, thank you ading tayo may kayo to school tayo. Hoping nga makita kayo to next year as part of NWU. Thank you ading tayo may kayo. Ingat. Bye-bye.